Welcome back to Parenting Pulse, where tech meets tenderness and science meets parenting. We're continuing right where we left off last episode, diving deeper into the evolving landscape of AI. Last time, we unpacked some of the major legal shifts and platform changes shaping how artificial intelligence is built, shared, and regulated. Today, we're taking that conversation further, exploring what these changes mean for parents, children, and everyday users navigating this new terrain.
Whether you're tuning in from your morning commute or folding laundry with earbuds in, we're glad you're here.
Yep, AI isn't just in sci-fi movies or your smart speaker anymore. It's baked into the apps our kids use every day. TikTok, Snapchat, Instagram, even learning apps.
And it's not just what they see, it's how they feel while using these apps. AI is shaping their feeds, their filters, and even their friendships, like that chatbot on Snapchat that some kids treat like a real bestie.
Right? Now, some kids say they chat with my AI on Snapchat more than with their actual friends. It's wild. And it's designed to be emotionally responsive, like it remembers what you say and tries to sound supportive.
Which raises the question, how do we help kids understand what's real, what's algorithmic, and what's just a persuasive design?
Exactly. So today we're breaking it down. How recommendation engines work, why filters feel so addictive, what chatbots are really doing behind the scenes, and how to talk to your kids about all of it without sounding like a paranoid robot parent.
We'll also share a few conversation starters you can use tonight at dinner. Like, have you ever talked to an AI bot? Or what do you think makes your feed show certain videos?
Plus, we've got a quick explainer on facial recognition and AR filters, because yes, those bunny ears know exactly where your nose is thanks to machine learning.
And we'll wrap with a few tips for building digital literacy at home. Not just screen limits, but curiosity, critical thinking, and emotional awareness.
Because AI isn't going away. But with the right tools, our kids can grow up using it, not being used by it.
Let's get into it.
All right, let's start with the big one. Feeds. TikTok, YouTube, Instagram. These platforms don't just show random stuff. They use AI to build a personalized stream based on what your kid watches, likes, even how long they hover on a video.
Exactly. It's called a recommendation algorithm, and it's shockingly good at predicting what will keep them watching. The more data it gets, the more it fine-tunes that feed. So if your teen watches one video about skincare, boom, now they're in a rabbit hole of beauty influencers and product hauls.
And it's not just interest-based. These algorithms can reinforce moods too. If a kid's feeling down and watches a few sad videos, the system might keep feeding them more of the same. It's not malicious, it's just math. But it can have emotional consequences.
That is why it's so important to talk about why they're seeing what they're seeing. Ask, do you think your feed reflects what you like or what the app wants you to like?
And, next up, filters. These are fun, right? Bunny ears, rainbow vomit, anime eyes. But behind the scenes, they're powered by facial recognition and machine learning.
Yep. The app scans your face, maps key points, eyes, nose, mouth, and then overlays effects in real time. But some filters also subtly change features. Smoothing skin, enlarging eyes, slimming jaws.
Which can mess with body image, especially for tweens and teens. If the beautified version becomes their default selfie, it's easy to feel like their real face isn't good enough.
So one tip, try using filters together. Laugh at the silly ones, talk about the beauty ones. Normalize real faces and help kids see filters as play, not perfection.
Like saying, no one looks like this all the time. Even grown-ups use filters to play. Or, let's guess what part of this picture is real and what's edited. Filters can trick our brains sometimes.
Good one. Now shifting to third area, chatbots and AI companions. These are popping up everywhere. Snapchat's My AI is a big one. It's a chatbot that remembers your name, your interests, and tries to sound like a supportive friend.
And some kids really bond with it. They vent, they ask for advice, they treat it like a confidant. But it's important to remember, it's not a person. It's trained to respond in ways that keep you engaged.
There have even been cases where bots gave questionable advice or responded inappropriately. So, it's worth asking your kid, have you ever chatted with an AI? What did it say? How did it make you feel?
And remind them, it's okay to enjoy the tech, that real relationships are built on empathy, not algorithms.
Last one, learning and creativity tools. These are the apps that help kids draw, write stories, learn math, or make music. And AI is quietly working behind the scenes here too.
For example, some learning apps adjust difficulty based on performance. Others give personalized feedback or suggest next steps. It's great for engagement, but it can also feel like the app knows your kid better than you do.
And in creative apps, AI might autocorrect drawings, suggest lyrics, or even finish stories. That's cool, but it can also blur the line between their own ideas and what the app generates.
So encourage kids to reflect. Did you come up with that? Or did the app help? It's not about judgment, it's about awareness.
So to wrap up, AI is already everywhere in kids' digital lives. It's shaping what they see, how they express themselves, and even who they talk to.
But with open conversations, curiosity, and a little tech literacy, we can help them navigate it with confidence, not fear.
And maybe even learn a thing or two ourselves.
Thanks for listening. If you found this helpful, share it with a fellow parent, subscribe, and help us grow this space for thoughtful, science-based parenting.
That's it for our Parenting Pulse Check today. Definitely a lot to wrap our heads around. Just remember, it's progress, not perfection. Until next time, keep showing up.